How to check Amazon rewards points. So you can check your Amazon rewards points by first logging into your Amazon account. So go ahead and head over to amazon.com and then in here sign in to your account. And then click on this accounts and list at the top right of your screen and then select account under this. So once you're on your account, go ahead and look for your payment. So click on this and this will take you into this section. So in here, you'll be able to find the current payment method you're using to pay for Amazon purchases. And then below it, you'll find the rewards and balances. So under the rewards and balances section, you'll be able to find the points that you have gained through the years on Amazon. So into this section, you should be able to find the rewards that you have gained on Amazon. You can also check your rewards points during the checkout of your item. So that is how you can basically check Amazon rewards points.